Every wall, every gate, every view was intentional. These homes were not built to be seen. They were built to see without being seen, to shelter without announcing, to command space, not attention. This is architecture as control, and for those who understand true wealth, control is the ultimate luxury. Welcome to Luxury Cribs America, where we explore the spaces designed not just for living, but for legacy. When you build at a certain level, the choices become different. It's no longer about impressing guests or signaling success. It's about creating a world where you decide who enters, what they see, and how far they go. The mansion becomes a system, a filter, a fortress that doesn't look like one. Most people see a long driveway and think it's grand, but it's a function. Distance is time, time to assess, time to prepare, time to decide if someone belongs there at all. The approach is designed to remind visitors they're moving from public territory into a private domain. By the time they reach the front entrance, they've already passed through layers of observation. Cameras hidden in landscaping, security stationed beyond sight, a network of awareness that feels invisible but is always present. The gates themselves tell a story, tall, solid, often set back from the main road, not ornate for the sake of beauty but engineered to create separation. Beyond them, the property unfolds in carefully measured ways. You don't see the house immediately. Trees and elevation obscure it. The landscape becomes part of the defense, shaping sightlines, absorbing sound, creating zones of privacy that nest inside one another like chambers in a vault. Inside, the architecture continues this philosophy. The entry hall is grand, but it's also a boundary. Guests see only what's intended. Public rooms radiate from the center, curated and controlled. But beyond that, entire wings disappear. Family quarters are hidden down corridors that seem decorative but are actually strategic. Staircases that lead to private floors are never shown, never mentioned. Rooms that exist off the blueprint shared with the outside world. This is zoning at the level of power. Where you place a home office determines what can be overheard. Where you position the primary suite determines what can be photographed from neighboring hills or passing helicopters. Where you build your children's rooms determines how they grow up, shielded from the weight of public curiosity. Every layout decision is a decision about access, visibility, and legacy. Elevation matters. Properties chosen on hillsides or ridges allow you to see approaches from all directions. You're never surprised. The view isn't just aesthetic, it's tactical. Floor-to-ceiling windows don't make you vulnerable when your land stretches for acres and your neighbors are miles away. Instead, they extend your domain. You own the horizon, and anyone attempting to breach that space is visible long before they arrive. Then there's sound. Or rather, the absence of it. True luxury is measured in silence. Thick walls, insulated glass, setbacks from roads and flight paths, the ability to exist without the intrusion of the outside world, to hear only what you choose when you choose. Peace is engineered. Quiet is purchased by the acre. Technology layers over all of this. Smart systems that track movement, control lighting, and monitor access points. Panic rooms are designed to look like walk-in closets. Safe rooms built into the foundation that can withstand almost anything. Redundant power systems, water sources, and communications infrastructure. These homes are designed to function independently, to remain secure even when the outside world destabilizes. Wealth at this level prepares for scenarios most people never consider. But perhaps the most powerful design choice is invisibility itself. The most expensive estates are often the ones you've never heard of. No magazine features, no social media posts, no tour. The wealth is private, the architecture is private, and the lifestyle is entirely self-contained. There's no need to prove anything. The people who matter already know, and the people who don't never will. This is how billionaires, particularly those who have built legacies in industries where discretion and strategy matter, approach their homes. Not as trophies, but as instruments. Tools for living at a level where privacy is rarer than money, where peace of mind costs more than land, and where true power is expressed not in what you show, but in what you never have to reveal. At Luxury Cribs America, we explore the intention behind these spaces, the philosophy. The quiet brilliance of design that protects, empowers, and endures. If this resonates with you, subscribe. There's more to discover, and we're just beginning.